USB flash drives are also relatively fast and reliable, making them a popular choice for backing up important data. However, they have a lower storage capacity than other types of external hard drives, and may not be as durable over the long term. RAID drives. RAID drives are a type of external hard drive that uses a redundant array of independent disks to store data. RAID drives offer a high level of data protection by storing multiple copies of your data across multiple disks. This means that if one disk fails, your data is still safe and accessible. RAID drives are ideal for businesses or individuals who need a high level of data protection and redundancy. However, they are generally more expensive than other types of external hard drives, and can be more complex to set up and use. Wireless drives. Wireless external hard drives are a type of drive that connects to your computer or mobile device via Wi-Fi. They are often used for streaming media files to multiple devices at once, such as movies, music, and photos. Wireless drives are ideal for sharing content at home or in a small office. They are also portable and come in a variety of sizes and capacities. However, they may not be as fast as other types of external hard drives, and may require some technical expertise to set up and use. Cloud drives. Cloud drives are a type of external hard drive that stores your data online, rather than on a physical drive. They are ideal for backing up important data, as they offer a high level of security and redundancy. Cloud drives can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection and are often used for collaboration and file sharing among teams. However, they may not be as fast as other types of external hard drives, and require an internet connection to access your data. External hard drive enclosures. External hard drive enclosures are a type of external hard drive that allows you to use an internal hard drive as an external drive. They are ideal for people who have spare hard drives lying around and want to repurpose them for external storage. External hard drive enclosures are usually affordable and come in a variety of sizes and capacities. However, they require some technical expertise to set up and use, and may not be as reliable or durable as other types of external hard drives. XeNVMe drives. XeNVMe, non-volatile memory express, drives are a type of external hard drive that use the PCI interface NVMe protocol to connect to a computer. They are known for their high-speed data transfer rates and low latency, making them ideal for tasks like video editing, gaming, and other high-performance computing applications. XeNVMe drives are also relatively compact and portable, making them a good choice for professionals or anyone who needs a high-performance storage solution on the go. However, they are typically more expensive than other types of external hard drives, and require a PCI slot on your computer to use. SATA drives. SATA, serial ATA drives are a type of external hard drive that use the SATA interface to connect to a computer. They are a popular choice for backing up important data or storing media files, as they offer a good balance of speed and storage capacity. SATA drives are also relatively affordable and come in a variety of sizes and capacities. However, they may not be as fast as other types of external hard drives, and can be prone to failure over time. Optical drives. Optical drives are a type of external hard drive that use optical discs, CDs, DVDs, or Blu-ray discs, to store data.